Hi, this is a little demonstration video of a LCD FM receiver version 2.0. It was purchased on eBay. It's been put on a 301 electronics kit with a basic mono amplifier just into the speaker so you can hear what's going on. Push buttons here for volume, channel up and down, and a program scan. So we'll power it up, power up the amp. This one working at about 3.8 volts. These batteries aren't too good. It comes up
We
with
had holidays and we climbed
I've already done a scan. This is BBC Two in the UK.
And then afterwards we went to a beach resort.
The yellow wire is the program scan. Press and hold.
Windsurfing, and it's beautiful. Jungles and mountains and gorgeous flowers and beautiful food.
So now it's going to scan through and set its own programs.
Do you know?
Get about 20 or so.
We'd have the choice of back with it. Cannibals.
We'll just wait till this is done. It's coming up to halfway through. Megahertz is the top of FM band. We're not far off now.
Guys, and they've got capital £1,000 in the jackpot at the
Program up to now? 26 programs. 27. Now going back to the bottom of the FM band. So there's a volume button. This amplifier I've built is quite high gain, and you don't need much volume on this little unit. It just starts. Distorting. For test purposes, it's okay. Up and down on the program scan, how it's programmed itself. And again, you just cycle through the programs up and down. As easy as that. There's no mute function. If you press both together, it will. Let's try this. Ramp up the volume and press both together. Press both together. I think the volume down overrides it. You can press and hold the program buttons to jump. Like a manual scan. But we'll just revert back to the program so it's done for itself. It also has a memory to remember which channel you were on when the power fails. I do believe. Program 3, there you go. So it's quite a nice little unit, and you know, if you build a better amp, stereo one, and with the better volume control, I use the volume controller, just a better amplifier that won't distort. That's a 8 ohm speaker. Yeah, or you can put your headphones here, in between these two wires, this middle pin right here between these bottom 3, that's a grounding pin, so you can have a headphone on. And I've done a drawing here right at the end of the video. You can pause this if you like to see the pinout on the back of the unit. There it is, as you would see it, just there. When it's facing you, the antenna is on the right hand side and speakers on the left. But at the back view, this is the pinout. Let's get one off there. So a long antenna is preferable. The short antennas used, you'll introduce hiss to the signal. Maybe use a capacitor or whatever to get rid of that. Ground and 5 volts, up to 5 volts, definitely over 3. You want to be using like a 3-cell system, 4.5 volts. Smoothing capacitor and diode for polarity protection. RX and TX, if you want to use a microcontroller interface with UART control, you can use these. I don't bother. I just want to keep things simple. DP and DN for USB 2 connection, also for programming it and controlling it. The next 5, program scan, tuning up and down, volume up and down, just simple press buttons as you've seen, going down to ground. Then you have your speakers, right, ground and left. If you're connecting to a headphone socket, a speaker or an amplifier, that's what you'll be looking at. You can picture that there. I haven't seen much documentation online for this unit. I'm trying to gather as much as possible. I'm pretty sure you can find out information about microcontroller control of this unit. But as it is here, and as you've seen it on this little test kit, it's very simple to set up without the need of a PC or microcontrollers. You can make a handy little pocket FM radio on headphones very simply. It's this little unit, you could incorporate that into any kind of box.
Working on it. To be with your bank in night. To Neil from the pension.
Don't wanna let you in. You drop your back to the floor. You're asking what's happening. It's getting late now, hey now. Enough of the arguments. But she sips the Coca-Cola. She can't tell the difference yet. She can't tell the difference yet.